In this video, we will review the Java string class available within the Java programming language. You should already have had exposure to the Java string class in the VTC course Java 7 Language Basics, so we will quickly be reviewing it in more depth. A Java string contains an immutable sequence of Unicode characters. Unlike C or C++, where string is simply an array of characters, a Java string is an object of the class java.lang. String is immutable, that is, its content cannot be modified once it is created. For example, the method toUpperCase constructs and returns a new string instead of modifying its existing content. Okay, let's review string initialization mechanisms. There are two main ways to create Java strings. One is by creating a string literal. String is associated with string literal in the form of double-quoted text such as hello. You can assign a string literal directly into a string variable instead of calling the constructor to create a string instance. The other way is to explicitly create a new object in memory. Here's an advanced hint. The API itself discourages the use of the string constructor. Unless an explicit copy of the original is needed, use of this constructor is unnecessary since strings are immutable. Use literals where possible to obtain the best performance. Let's look at using the string literals in switch statements, which is new to Java 7. Before Java 7, only integer values were valid arguments in a switch statement. It is not uncommon to need to make a decision based on a string value, and the use of a switch statement to perform this task can simplify the series of if statements that would otherwise be needed. This can result in more readable and efficient code. Let's add our case here. Now let's run our program. This concludes our discussion of the Java language string class.